Hi, I'm Christina Milley. Just like you, I was once an accounting student at Wichita State. I remember thinking the days were long and the homework would just pile up. Here are just a few tips and tricks that will help you survive your accounting classes and get you one step closer to graduation.
I loved Wichita State because everyone there was so friendly and they have such great opportunities for students. Wichita State does a wonderful job with working with local businesses to help students get job placements or co-ops or internships, and I think that that's wonderful.
Some advice I would say in order to be more successful, especially within your college years, is that after every new class on the semester, make a point to go and introduce yourself to your professors. This is a really good way to start the semester off on a good foot.
The most valuable thing I learned while attending Wichita State would be how to build relationships and network. These things are going to be very valuable down the line in your career.
My biggest tip for surviving your accounting classes is to read the chapter before you get to class. That made a world of difference for me in terms of my own understanding of the subjects. That and taking really, really good notes. Just more notes than you think you'll need, just in case.
In order to accomplish your goals, you must break them down into attainable steps to complete daily and weekly. This will help you stay focused and on track.
Just study, meet with your professors. They will be great advocates for your career later down the line.
Try not to procrastinate is probably my biggest piece of advice, and don't be afraid to reach out and create a network of friends and coworkers and others who are in your classes or not in your classes who might be able to help you or might have tips and tricks for certain subjects that you might not even think about. You know, it might be their specialty.
Another way I survived was drinking plenty of coffee and getting a lot of sleep.